Hello there, this is Steve from newonlinelife.com. Today we are going to look at how to add a user onto your WordPress website. This is fairly simple. As you can see, we have the menu on the left hand side here, and we just click on users. So we have one main user here, which is myself. Very straightforward. We just tap on add new. Okay, and this is the form. So we are going to add a username. Let's call this person Bob. An email, so it's bob@xyz.com. The first name, Bob. The other steps are just not required. So here we have a password. Okay. We can change this password whatever you want, but if you want to use this password, then just copy and paste it or something like that. I always recommend using things like LastPass. That can generate your password as well. Next is the role that you want the person to have. So they are going to have access to your site. So the role depends on what they are going to be doing on your site. So for example, if you have employed somebody to carry out SEO or maintenance to the site, you can just simply select SEO editor, SEO manager. If somebody is going to be posting blog posts and things for you, contributor and author. Now the administrator at the bottom, the administrator will have full control over the website, so they'll be able to make many changes to basically anything. You are giving them full access. So only use that setting for people who are fully involved in the website and whom you fully trust. So let's just create Bob as a subscriber. Add. And then here's Bob. That's our new user, Bob. Bob@xyz.com, and he's a subscriber. If you wanted to change his permissions, for example, we can just simply click on edit. Change Bob from a subscriber to an author. Update. Let's go back to the users. And now Bob is an author, and it's as simple as that. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye bye.